We are going to walk you through the most commonly used action shortcut keys for Google Sheets. So let's get started. First off, do you frequently need to select an entire column while working? Just press Ctrl plus space simultaneously and the column will be selected. To select the entirety of a row, simply press Shift plus space. The entire row is selected. Sometimes we need to select everything in the sheet. Instead of dragging the mouse all the way down and across, press Ctrl plus A or Ctrl plus Shift plus space. This instantly highlights everything in the sheet. Made an error? Don't panic. By pressing Ctrl plus Z, our previous action is undone. To redo this action, press Ctrl plus Y. Now let's move on to the search functionality. Ctrl plus F. This prompts a search bar to help us find specific information in the sheet. To replace specific terms all at once, use Ctrl plus H for finding and replacing information. To move to the top left of the sheet, press Ctrl plus Home. To move to the bottom right of the document, press Ctrl plus End. To move to the beginning of the row, press Home. To jump to the end of the row, press End. And there you have it. These were some of the most frequently used shortcut keys for Google Sheets.